Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars?
Please.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now.
I need some help.
It's supposed to be you and me against the world, right?
But if Lucifer burns his mother down and I could have done something about it, guess what?
That's on me. Do you hear me? So call Michael down, you bastard.
This is how it ends. It's just walk out. You can't beat this. It's me.
All you've ever done is run away.
And I was wrong. Every single time I did. So, what are you doing this? You're still my big brother. Just didn't want to let you down. It's a screw destiny. Right in the face. I say we take the fight to them and do it our way.
Sounds good.